Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. Now in today's video I'm going to be trying a cigar for the very first time. Now I actually brought my other phone out here to watch a tutorial video on how to smoke a cigar, and just as I was about to start playing it, my phone has just died. So we are literally going to be winging it in today's video, which probably makes it a little bit more interesting, especially for those of you that are looking to smoke a cigar for the very first time. We can discover it together. So there we go. So we're going to put that phone to one side. This was actually very kindly sent to me by Marinate Big Man. I think I've actually got the letter in here as well to go with it, so we will read that before we get going. And you can see it says 2365 days of silver. See, you were interested in having one of these bad boys, so here you go. Disclaimer: purchased in a shop in Milan in 2021. I have kept them in a humiditor box since I have never smoked. I don't know if tobacco can go out of date or not, so have a smoke at your own risk. I imagine, if anything, it just might not taste as fresh, I suppose. Either way, I hope you enjoy it, bro. Take care, Marinate. So massive thank you, Marinate Big Man, for sending me this across. Marinate doesn't actually have his own YouTube channel, so I will leave a link to his channel in today's video description, so please head over and show him some love. But let's get straight into the video. Now, like I said, I was going to watch a quick tutorial on how to smoke a cigar, but my phone has run out of battery, so we are literally going to be winging it in today's video. I'm going to start by lighting a candle. Just to set the scene a little bit more. And we're also going to enjoy a nice glass of whiskey at the same time. Now I've actually got Jack Daniel's Gentleman's Jack whiskey. A very nice whiskey. And we've got a huge ice cube in there to cool it down. Not that it needs cooling down, because I'm sitting outside in the garden and it is very, very cold. But cheers everyone. Very nice indeed. We've got a little bit of silver on display as well here. This is a 10-ounce Royal Canadian Mint. Quite a nice serial number on there, 991283544. And just a stunning piece of silver. It's got a reeded edge that feels like a coin when you hold it by the edges. Absolutely stunning piece of silver. And we're going to pop that over there in the backdrop of today's video. Now please do head over to Stacker Social. If you're not already in Stacker Social, it's a free Discord group, free to join. And it's full of like-minded people that like stacking precious metals and trying to better their financial futures. Give that a scan if you're not already in the Discord group. It's a free to join, like I said, Discord group, and I guarantee you'll have a very good time once you get in there. In here we have a cigar chopping tool. And we also have a lighter that I recently refueled for the first time. So we're all ready to go. Now, like I said, I've not actually smoked a cigar before, so I don't really know what I'm doing. I was going to watch a tutorial video, but that's gone out the window. So we're literally going to be winging it the whole way through. So please let me know in the comments section what I'm doing wrong. And then the next cigar that I smoke, if I do decide to smoke one again, because I'm not a smoker, but if I do decide to smoke one again, at least the next one, I'll have a little bit of a better understanding of how to do it properly. Looks very nice. Now I believe the correct thing to do is to smell it So I'm gonna give it a little smell off camera. Yep, I believe I meant to say that smells very nice. Apologise for my dry hands. My hands are quite dry actually, don't they? They're hands of a worker. Someone that works outside, that's the hands that you get. But yeah, this is the cigar, and I don't really know what I'm meant to be doing apart from, I guess I'm meant to cut off the end. So we're going to cut off a little bit of the end here. Like that. And then, I don't know what end you're meant to smoke from. Are you meant to smoke from this end or the end you've cut off? Again, I'm not too sure. But I think you're meant to give this end a little bit of a fry, aren't you, before you smoke from it? Maybe. I don't know. But we're gonna light this end. Oh, look at that. And oh God. There we go. We're well away. Straight in with the coffin. There we go. So I believe with a cigar, it's not like a cigarette where you actually take it in. You just literally inhale it into your mouth and then exhale it out. So that's what I'll be doing. I've actually got a copper ashtray here as well. Found this on eBay. A vintage ashtray. Thought it's quite cool. Something to add to the copper stack at the same time. I think this has gone out already, look, it's already gone out. So oh dear. There we go. We're smoking a cigar for the very first time. And like I said, I'm not actually a smoker, so for me this is completely out of my comfort zone. Something I thought I'd do to try. I'm a strong believer that you should try everything once. Let's see if I can do it around the camera. And there we go. We are well away. My first cigar. So thank you very much, Marinate Big Man. Really, really appreciate you sending me this across. Something a little bit different for the channel. Oh dear. And there we go. We're well away. So I'm going to pop that there. Look at that. I look like I know what I'm doing, don't I? Look at the setup. You've got a whiskey, a bar of silver, cigar, a fancy lighter. Well away. So yeah, cheers everyone. And again, thank you very much, Marinate Big Man, for sending me this across. I've actually really enjoyed setting everything up today. My partner, Mrs. 365, is actually working. The children are fast asleep. and the neighbours are probably looking out the window at me thinking, what the hell is this guy doing? But like I said, I'm a strong believer that you should all try something once. Doesn't mean that I'm gonna suddenly take up smoking, but something a little bit different to try. I don't know if I'm meant to keep doing that or not, but it's pretty cool. So there we go. I'm officially a cigar smoker. Can't say if it's enjoyable or not yet. Still the early stages. I definitely have to hold back the coughing reflex every time I take a pull on it. But yeah, something a little bit different. I know a lot of people in the comment section of the video when I first received this said they were really looking forward to watching me smoke it. So I hope it's an enjoyable video. Someone like CY Sterling, that is a more seasoned cigar smoker. I challenge you, my friend, to set up a video similar to this, maybe on your balcony in Cyprus, and show us some silver, have a nice glass of whiskey, and talk us through the correct way of smoking a cigar. Because, like I said, I really don't have a clue what I'm doing, but I'd be interested to watch a video from yourself showing me the ropes of how it's done. But let's also do an unboxing of silver as well. Got a package here that I received a couple of weeks ago. Just going to rip straight down it. And we have, and this is really cool, this kind of fits in with the theme of smoking a cigar and drinking whiskey outside in the cold. And this is a shotgun cartridge with 1 ounce of pure silver grain inside it. So something a little bit different, really cool and unique. I believe I found this on eBay, and I found it quite a while ago now, but I saved it for this video because I thought, do you know what, this fits in quite nicely with the theme of today's video. Bit of a gangster theme with a cigar. I always associate cigars with gangsters and that sort of thing. But you can see it says shotgun cartridge, 1 ounce of pure silver. And if we have a look at the piece, it is literally a replica. I don't believe it's a real reused shotgun cartridge, but it's a replica of a shotgun cartridge, and it has silver grain inside. And I'm not too sure how to open this because I haven't got any scissors on me, but I suppose we could open it by using a match. I'm probably going to damage the actual piece, but let's have a little bit of fun. And let's melt this side. Now, I'm glad it's not a real shotgun cartridge, otherwise this would explode. I'm just going to literally melt this plastic around the edge, and hopefully we can just rip it out and we can showcase it better. Yeah, made a little bit of a gap there. Come on. Really tough plastic. There we go. We're in now to the wrapper. Look at that. There we go. And look at that. What an incredible piece of silver. Italy 12 gauge. And you can see there, it looks exactly like a normal shotgun pellet, but it's filled with an ounce of silver. Really cool. Something a little bit different for the stack. And like I said, it fits quite nicely in with today's video. We'll pop it over there. Let me know what you think about that. I think this has gone out now, so let's try and light this back up again. Oh, there we go. So there we go. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Completely out of my comfort zone. Not something I'd normally film. Let me know what you think of today's video. Let me know if you smoke cigars. Let me know what I'm doing right, what I'm doing wrong. I'll probably stick to whiskey in the future, because that's more my comfort zone. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. A little bit different. Again, massive shout out, Marinate Big Man. And like I said, CY Sterling, please do replicate my video today, but do it more professionally and show me the true ways that you should smoke a cigar, the rules behind a cigar, how much you should cut off the end. Did I do the right thing by burning that end as well? Because I'd be very interested to see the correct way of smoking a cigar. But there we go. Thanks so much for watching. Look at that. It looks like a sovereign, doesn't it? That's the top of the cigar. But a quick glance, it looks like a sovereign. Now I have to stop my dog from barking. There's my dog. Come here. Come here. Sit. Stay. Good girl. So there we go. That is today's video done. Thanks as always for watching. Something a little bit different. I like to bring different content to the channel. And let's focus back in on this bar before we finish today's video. Please like, share, subscribe, all the fun stuff. And I hope you have a very nice day.